Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lollipops out of honey. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need half a cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of light corn syrup, and half a cup of your favorite honey. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of water, lollipop molds, and sticks. A candy thermometer is absolutely crucial for success, ensuring your lollipops reach the perfect hard crack stage. Now let's get cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine your sugar, corn syrup, honey, and water. Stir gently over medium heat until the sugar fully dissolves. Attach your candy thermometer and continue to boil the mixture, without stirring, until it reaches precisely 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the hard crack stage. As soon as it hits this temperature, remove the pan from the heat and quickly immerse its bottom in an ice water bath for about 20 seconds to stop the cooking process. With your mixture ready, it's time to form your lollipops. Working quickly and carefully, spoon the hot honey mixture into your prepared lollipop molds. Insert the lollipop sticks, rotating them slightly to ensure they are well coated. Now, patience is key. Let your lollipops cool and harden at room temperature for about 30 to 60 minutes. For a quicker set, you can place them in the refrigerator for around 15 minutes until they are completely firm. Once your delicious honey lollipops are fully hardened, it's time for storage. To prevent stickiness, wrap each lollipop individually in parchment paper or cellophane. Store them in an airtight container in a cool, dry place where they will last for up to 1 month. For extended freshness, you can refrigerate them for up to 3 months or even freeze them for up to 6 months. Enjoy your delightful homemade honey lollipops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.